Hi friends, welcome to Code World YouTube channel. My name is Basha. In the previous video, we discussed about dictionaries, right? That is introduction to dictionaries. Make sure you watch that video and come to this video. The link of that video is in description below and above iCard. Please check it out. In that video, I told you that in next video I will make a simple phone book. So I come with this video. In this video, I will explain code to make a simple phone book that will store the contact numbers of your friends or relatives. First, let me show how this will appear. Okay, this is my phone book. First, it's phone book name, and it gives some option to us: 0 to quit, 1 to add phone number to the phone book, 2 to search for phone number in the phone book. We have to enter whatever number we want, whether 0, 1, 2, whichever option we want. So first I want to add a number, so I enter 1. And you're asking name. Name is, I enter A as my name. A. And it's asking for enter phone number. So I enter a random number 999999. See, again it is asking for enter a number. Whether you want to add another number, or you want to search for a number, or you want to quit. I will add another number. So I take 1. And it's asking name. Here this time I give name as B. And it's phone number. This time I give you 8888. Okay. Again it's asking for a number. This time I will search for a number. So I enter 2. Now it is asking name to search for phone number. So I want to search a phone number of A. So I enter name as A. It's giving the phone number of A is 9999. And again it asks enter a number. So this time I want to quit. So I enter 0. Now I quit from the application. This is my phone book, a simple phone book. In this video, I will explain code to make this simple phone book. Today's agenda is how to write code to make this simple phone book. Before getting to the topic, a small request for you friends. If you like this video, you have to subscribe to my channel. Okay, now get into the video. To make this phone book, to write code for this phone book, here I used dictionaries, if else and elif, and how to take input from the user. This I used. I already explained these topics in previous videos. If you not watched that videos, please watch that video and come to this video. Link of all that videos are in description below. I will explain the code step by step clearly in this video. So make sure you watch the video till end. So here in my Sublime I take new file. And first I'll phone book my name, right? And next I'll print the options. 0 to quit the application, and next 1 add phone number to the phone book. Next print 2 search phone number in the phone book. Okay, these are the options. Next I take a dictionary. I take a dictionary D1, which is empty dictionary with no values. Next while 2. Loop is used to run all the code which is written inside of this loop to run multiple times until user enters 0. If user enters 0, this will quit. N int input enter number. So either 0, 1 or you have to enter either 0, 1 or 2. Next, if user enter 1, if n is equal to 1, then if user enter 1, the phone number have to add it to dictionary. To add element to dictionary, the dictionaries have key and value. The key is here, the key is name and value is phone number. So first we want name, right? Name. So I have to enter the name. So enter name. Next, user had to enter phone number. So I take variable phone number and in enter phone number. Right? Now we have to store these two values into dictionary. How? D1 of name is equal to phone number. Simple, right? Next, if user entered 2, then user want to search for a phone number in our phone book. So to search for a phone number in the phone book, we want name, right? By using name, the user going to search. So name, I take name 1, input, enter name, search for phone number in the phone book. Now after user enter the name, the application have to print the corresponding phone number of the name. So to do that, print phone number of name 1 is, and here D1 of name 1. Next, finally, if user enters 0. You want me to teach more about this Python? Make sure you comment below. Hey, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Break out of the loop. Okay, now our application is ready. Let me run this. Our code is in program5.py. So I am giving my program name program5.py. It is asking for enter a number, and above this is giving options: 0 for create and 1 to add phone number to the phone book, and 2 for search phone number in the phone book. So I want to add number first. So 1. It's asking name. This time I give name as B. It's asking for phone number. I'll enter a random number 919234657. See, again it is asking for a number. Either you want to quit or add a phone number to the phone book or search for phone number in the phone book. So I want to add another number. So 1, name as C, and phone number is some random number. See, again it is asking. This time I want to search for a phone number. 2, and it is asking for enter a name to search for phone number in the phone book. Enter name as B, and phone number of B is shown like this. And this time I want to quit, so I enter 0. See, I have quitted from my phone book app. That's it for this video, friends. See you in next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Comment your opinion on this video in the comment section below. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you for watching.